Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to everyone. Today we will be presenting our project for practice in Artificial Intelligence 1. For our title, we use predicting monthly student expense using linear regression. This project analyzes the financial spending patterns of university students in Kota Baru using supervised machine learning. This project was prepared by me, Muhammad Nabil, SAFWAN and SYAMIR. Next slide is the problem statement and background for this project. Why is this important? The university student in Kota Baru face significant challenge managing limited financial resource. We identify that managing expense like food, rent, and transport is complex. The poor financial planning doesn't just hurt the wallet, it leads to high stress and negative impact in academic performance. Next slide, we will see the project objective and methodology. For our project, we had three main goals. The first one is to analyze the real student data. The second one is to develop a predictive model using Python. And the last one to identify the primary drivers of spending. Our methodology have followed a logical flow. Start with data acquisition, moving to the pre-processing, then model training, and finally rigorous evaluation and the result. Next slide is dataset and data collection. For our data, we didn't use generic dataset. We conduct manual surveys with the campus and resident area of Kota Baru. We gather 14 unique samples direct from students to ensure our model reflects the actual costs of living in this specific region. Next slide is variable and data structure. Our models look at several factors. The target variable we want to predict is the total month's expense. To predict this, we look at features like age, gender, faculty, and specific costs like food, transportation, and the type of accommodation the student lives in.
Next slide is exploratory data analysis overview. So raw data is rarely perfect. During pre-processing, we ensure there were no missing values. Since machine learning models require numbers, we use label encoding to convert categorical data like gender or faculty into numerical format that the linear regression algorithm can understand. Next slide is data pre-processing step. To ensure accuracy, we use box plot to identify outliers. Outliers are extreme values that can pull the regression line away from the true average. By identifying and managing this, we ensure our model remains robust and isn't skewed by one or two students with unusual spending habits. Next is linear regression model development. We build our model using the Python ecosystem, specifically scikit-learn, pandas, and numpy. We use and 80% of our data was used to teach the model, which is training set, and also 20% was reserved to test how well it learned. Model evaluation metric. The core of our project is the linear regression algorithm. It works by finding the line of best fit, a mathematical relationship where the model minimizes the distance between the actual data point and the predicted line. This allows us to see how much expense increase as variable like food costs go up.
So next is the model evaluation metric. So let's see how we did the tree matrix means. We use the tree matrix means absolute error MAE, which is tell us arrange dollar around. We arrive by 4. Root mean square error is RMSE, which is penalized large error, and R secure score, which tell us how of the variant is bending and explained by the feature. So next is a result discussion. Our results show the MAE of RM 457 and 0.8 cent, while the R squared is negative, indicating that student spending is higher, unpredictable, and non-linear. The model provides little insight. It shows us exactly the noise is IM students spending come from and where the model is struggling to predict. So slide number 20 is practical and application benefit. The model is not just the academic exercise. It can be used as student for better budgeting and stress reduce. Universities also can use this data to design better financial literacy programs or determine if scholarship amount are especially keeping up with the real cost for living. So finally is a conclusion and future outlook. In conclusion, we successfully established a framework for predict a student expense. While the sample size was small, it proved a solid foundation. In the future, we hope to expand data set and move into the more complex AI technique like a neural network to improve aggression. Thank you for your attention.